Hey guys, what's up? It's Rando Geek. Alright, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G Tough Armor case from Spigen or Spigen. Not really sure how they pronounce it. Different ways. But ordered on Amazon, just came. Get the focus for you. Highly rated on Amazon. I'm doing this one-handed. I don't have the stand set up for this because this is going to be a very quick video. Let me get this out the box and then we'll continue. Alright guys, took it out the box. Hard to do one-handed. There's the wrapper it comes with. So basically it just comes in this box. You just flip the box tab open. Then it comes in this wrapper. There's nothing else in the box. Let's see, it's empty. Nothing else comes into the box. And this is the case. It's very nice. Very nice. Strong, durable. Looks good. Reason for the purchasing this case is the camera cutouts are a little more snug. I also have a Dacoits case, which I did an unboxing for, but I'm thinking I might use this because I like the cutouts on this case a little better. It looks like it will cover the camera better to avoid debris and dirt and scratches as well. So it's a little extra protection. And of course you have this shock absorbent here. It's from the impact of if your phone drops. There is a little stand here which can be useful, and I like that. I'm not really a fan of stand cases, but I do like this one because it's very discreet. It's to the side, you can't even really notice it unless you look hard. So I like that. Can be useful in certain situations when you do want the stand, but you don't want it in the middle and you don't want to feel it when you're holding your phone. There's your cutouts, ports. Very nice. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. We're going to wrap this up. I'll leave the link for you in the description in case you want to purchase it with my Amazon affiliate link. As always, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out and consider subscribing for all the latest tech info, unboxings, and DIY. Catch you later. Bye for now.